Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to showcase your latest tweets right on your WordPress website, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to integrate your Twitter feed into your WordPress site without using any plugins. It's fast, simple, and works perfectly. So stick with me till the end to make your website look more dynamic and interactive with your live Twitter content. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click that. To make things even quicker, just select Continue with Google. Once you choose your Google account, you'll be logged in instantly without entering any extra details. Now that you're inside your WordPress dashboard, let's move to the next step. From the dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. You'll find an option that says Edit Site. Click that, and it will open the site editor for your selected website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the site editor, decide where you want your Twitter feed to appear. Maybe on your homepage sidebar, footer, or even inside a blog post. Wherever you want it to display, simply click the plus icon to add a new block. In the search bar, type Twitter. And you'll see an option called Twitter Embed. Click on that, and the block will be added to your page. Now it's time to actually embed your Twitter feed. Go to your Twitter profile in another tab and copy your page URL. For example, something like https://twitter.com/your username. Then go back to WordPress and paste that URL into the Twitter embed field. Click embed, and just like that, your live Twitter feed will instantly appear right inside your website editor. You can scroll through it to preview how it will look to visitors. It updates automatically whenever you post on Twitter. Once everything looks good, head up to the top right corner and click Save to publish your changes. Then go back to your site's homepage and refresh it. Boom! Your Twitter feed is live and fully integrated. No plugins, no coding, just a clean and modern Twitter display right on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a Twitter feed to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more simple and effective WordPress tutorials just like this one. Drop a comment below if you'd like to see tutorials on integrating other social platforms like Instagram or YouTube next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.